You may be wondering how you can increase the chances of your listings to be seen online. Here are some tips on how you can improve your listings. Add as many photos as possible. In posting photos, treat it like a walkthrough, wherein all high-quality photos can be seen in order to get the attention of buyers. Make sure that each part of the property is shown, such as the living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and others. Do not use stock photos or illustrations. Post actual photos of the property instead. Refrain from having photos that have watermarks of competitors or contact details of the agent. You can post your videos on Lamudi via YouTube. Copy and paste your link so that your video can be played on the same page as your listing. Do not add your contact details and website info on the description. This is to make sure that your transactions stay with Lamudi's records. When other sellers ask about your properties, it is also to your benefit because it means your listings are visible. Put essential info such as barangay, number of rooms, floor area, or lot area. These aren't required information, however, it will help you be found. Improve the title of your listings because that's where SEO comes in. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your online content so that a search engine shows it as a top result for searches of a certain keyword. Lamudi's algorithm works by showing the most relevant listings, not by the newest listings. So think about the keywords your clients are looking for. Avoid unnecessary adjectives such as amazing or astonishing. Maximize your 60 characters. For example, 2-bedroom house in Sampaloc, Manila for rent. When creating your description, make sure to add the details of your property. Key features, proximity to points of interest such as malls, schools, offices. You can even put down payment schemes and more. Putting down essential information makes people notice you more, which means more visibility. You can easily contact your leads via WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or email. You can access your Lamudi account through the mobile website. It's the same interface as the desktop version. You need to have a lot of patience because the process of checking your listings are all manually checked by the quality control team. It takes some 24 hours at most to review your listings. Lamudi subscribers get to have a badge as a certified partner of Lamudi, and it makes people have the trust to interact with the seller. Pre-selling. Pre-selling listings are re-uploaded to My Property. Sellers use one listing to post about their other listings. These then get tagged as multiple listings and are uploaded separately. No contract. Inquire about securing your online success with Lamudi now. Now that you know these tips, we'll be looking forward to seeing your listings online.